to my restaurant rules, and what we're going to do today is we're going to go into Dreamweaver and start our first web page. Now we're going to make an HTML file, which is a hypertext markup language document, which is a language based behind all web pages. So as we've already loaded our file system at the end here, and if I went down to pages, I can click that I haven't got any. So what I need to do is I'm going to call this page here index, because as I said before, index is where all of web servers will point to index to load the home page from where all other pages can be reached. So we'll go into there, we've got no problem on there, and make sure I'm in design mode, and I'm going to go into the top here and I'll type HOME, type in home. So I know that's my home page, my index page. I'm going to go file, I'm going to go save as, I'm going to go into pages, Mikasa, pages, and then I'm going to save this one because this is the important one here, INDEX, index, done, save. Save it in there, just make sure it's in the right place. Lovely. And what that should do is, once that has been done, it should appear down the bottom here, index, which it just has. Lovely. Now, the next thing we're going to do is, this is our main title, and we've got to make sure we're going to do everything in design mode. And when you click on some text down here, our formatting bar comes down to the bottom. Now you can either do CSS, which is what we're going to talk about later, or we're going to format it HTML, and the format, this is our main heading, is going to be heading 1. You can have heading 6, and then you can have P, which is paragraph text, which I'll discuss a little bit later. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to insert our flash banner. So I'm going to click onto here on banners, head, let's go Mexican, and it must have been SWF, so I'm going to put that in down here. We're going to call this one BANER. Now this is alternative text here, and it's put in for those people that have sighting deficiencies to allow the computer to talk to them as they're bringing things up. There you go, we now have our banner. I can of course put that at the top, and I can drag that underneath, no problem on there. And then I'm going to go Command S, and we're going to go OK, and we're going to save. Now you can flick between live and not live. Now this flash banner will only work when you drag it into a web browser to have a look, so we'll do that in a while. Thank you. Remember to go Command S or File, Save or Save As. Let's just make sure that's going there. Index, done, before the end, you end your session. Thank you.